In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme, how to upload the PLR theme to your server. You need an FTP program for that. Here we are at Google, and we need an FTP program. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. I use a free software called Filezilla. So type in Filezilla. Here it is, filezilla-project.org. Click on Download Filezilla Client. Click on Download Now and install the program. Open the Filezilla program. This is what you should see. You need to enter your hosting info. The host, username, and password, which you received in the email from HostGator. Click Quick Connect. The left side is showing the files stored on your computer. The right side is showing the files stored on your server. Go to www. Double-click WP-content. Double-click Themes. Select the theme folder that you want to upload. Right-click, Upload. Now it's uploaded to the server, and we can see here that we got the theme. Log into your WordPress site. Go to Appearance. And then Themes. Activate the theme. When I visit site, you will see the changes take effect. See you in the next video.